In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change text color in Confluence to make important information stand out and improve the readability of your pages. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to edit the text. Click the Edit button in the top right corner to enter editing mode. Next, highlight the text you want to change. This can be a single word, a sentence, a heading, or an entire paragraph. Once the text is selected, look at the formatting toolbar above the editor and find the text color option, usually represented by the letter A with a colored underline. Click the text color button to open the color palette. You'll see several preset colors available for your text. Select the color you want to use and the highlighted text will update immediately. If you'd like a different color later, simply select the text again and choose another option from the palette. Using text colors can help emphasize important notes, warnings, updates, or key sections of your documentation. Just remember to use colors consistently so your pages remain clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the changes, click Publish or Update to save your page. And that's how to change text color in Confluence. It's a simple feature that can make your documentation more organized, visually appealing, and easier for your team to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.